52 first flight. Open page number 52 of first flight. तो एक दूसरे के साथ आपस में शर्त लगा रहा है, गुड नाइट एंड आई लाफ आवर सेल्स सिली एट द टू बॉयज बिहाइंड अस, सियन एंड जैक्स। कह रहे हैं कि और सब तो जो है वो है आधा क्लास बेट लगा रहा है, आपस में शर्त लगा रहा है कौन पास होगा कौन फेल होगा, लेकिन मेरे पीछे दो बच्चे बैठे हैं, एक का नाम सियन है शॉर्ट फॉर्म एंड अदर का नाम जैक्स है, और वो जो है कुछ ऐसी शर्त लगाए हैं जिसे सुनकर मुझे हंसी आ रही है। Who have staked, S-T-A-K-E, स्टेक मीन्स होता है दाव पर लगाना, स्टेक्ड मीन्स दाव पर लगा दिया है, मीन्स who has betted their entire holiday saving on their bet, means Anne Frank is saying that she is realizing most pleasant situation in her heart and she is helping because of two boys of his class, that is on two classmates who have waited there the whole summer vacation for the sake of promotion of class. From morning to night, it's you are going to pass. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, I am not. Means कह रही है वो, and is saying that from morning to night and night to morning, दिन से रात, रात दिन, यानी ओवरऑल दिन रात, हर कोई जो है इस बात में बिजी है, शर्त लगाने में. एवरीबडी इज बिजी इन बेटिंग, in talking only about pass and fail, means who will pass, who will fail. Everyone is making guess related to pass and fail. No, I am not. Even girls pleading glances and my angry outburst cannot calm them down. कह रही हैं कि यहाँ तक कि जो गर्ल्स मीन्स लड़कियां जो हैं वह भी शर्त लगा रही हैं, और उनके शर्त लगाने को सुनकर मुझे मीन्स एन फ्रैंक इज रियलाइजिंग एंगर इन हर माइंड ड्यू टू बेटिंग ऑफ द गर्ल्स आल्सो, येट Anne Frank is unable in making calm down those girls from the betting. If you ask me, there are so many dummies means dulls you can say, that about a quarter of the class should be kept back, but teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. कह रही है वो अन्ने फ्रैंक कि मेरे अनुसार तो लगभग इस क्लास के चौथाई, द फोर्थ 1/4 students are dumb type, lazy and weak students. They must be kept in the same class according to the Anne Frank. But further she is adding that she is uncertain how many students would be kept in the same class because the nature of the teachers can't be predicted surely. The nature of the teachers is unpredictable. What would they do, what would they not do is uncertain. So due to this reason Anne Frank could not predict that 1/4 student must be kept in the same class. कह रही है कि जो टीचर होते हैं वो बड़े अविश्वसनीय होते हैं, क्या सोचेंगे क्या करेंगे कोई ठीक नहीं है, इसलिए वो कह रही हैं कि इनका नेचर बड़ा ही अविश्वसनीय होता है टीचर्स का, किसे फेल पास कर देंगे कोई ठीक नहीं, इसलिए मैं सर्टेन नहीं हूँ कि कितने लोग फेल होंगे कितने लोग पास. अन्यथा मेरे हिसाब से तो इस क्लास का चौथाई बच्चे फेल होने चाहिए, जो एकदम डम है, रफ है, उन्हें सेम क्लास में रहना चाहिए. I am not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. Kitty is saying, Frank is saying that she was not so worried about herself and her friends. Will make it the only subject I am not sure about is maths. And Frank is saying that she is sure that everybody and even Frank also would pass in each and every subject. There is no risk there. But about math, she and her friends all were uncertain because math was the most or is the most difficult work study. So what would do math? That was the uncertain for the Anne Frank and her friends. Anyway, all we can do is wait. Until then, we keep telling each other not to lose heart. And Anne Frank is saying that there is no doubt we should wait to our result, our report card, until it does not released or published. Until it is not released or published. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. Along pretty well means Anne Frank had been in good communication and good relationship with the teachers. Means वह teachers की प्यारी और अच्छी बनके as a good student रही है. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Kissing, the old fogey who teaches maths, was annoyed with me for ages because I talked so much. After several warnings, he assigned me extra homework, an essay on the subject, a chatterbox. What can you write about that? I would worry about that later. I decided. I jotted down the title in my notebook, tucked it in my bag and tried to keep quiet. अन्य फ्रैंक कहने की whole year she had been in the good communication, good behavior with the other teachers except the math teacher whose name was Kissing, Mr. Kissing. And Mr. Kissing was also a good teacher, but there was one exception in the relation of Mr. Kissing and math teacher and Anne Frank, and that was the talkative nature of the Anne Frank. Whenever she started to talk in class, she used to talk continuously every time, every moment in the class, and having seen such nature of the Anne Frank, Mr. Kissing got bored, and he first tried to make understand Anne Frank, but when she did not understand and improved her habit, then he allotted Anne Frank some extra homework on the chatterbox. Though Anne Frank was serious about chatterbox, but on that same day she closed the slip of the homework chatterbox, put in her bag, and forgot about that box, essay chatterbox as a homework. That evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eyes. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. Anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words, but the trick was to come up with convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. I thought and suddenly I had an idea. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Kissing had assigned me and was satisfied. I argued that talking is a student's trait and that I would do my best to keep it under control. And Frank करें कि when she was allotted extra homework due to her talkative nature by the Mr. Kissing math teacher, on that evening when she went up to her home, first of all she completed her other homeworks, all homeworks, and then suddenly this homework topic on chatterbox came in her sight, and then she started to write this essay. And बेटा आप लोग माइक अपनी शांत करो, close, mute your mic everyone. And when she started to write, then anyhow ideas started to come on chatterbox in her mind, and she completed her homework. And in that homework she wrote that to talk or to be talkative is the student's most nature, but she wrote in that letter that she would try to control her talkative nature. मीन्स वो लिखी जब पहले तो वो देखी अपना होमवर्क करते करते उसे एक बार याद है कि मुझे तो चैटर बॉक्स पे भी लिखना है, तब वो चैटर बॉक्स पे जब लिखना शुरू किया होमवर्क कंप्लीट करके, तो करते करते उसे कुछ आइडियाज दिमाग में आए. सी स्टार्टेड टू राइट, उसने लिखना शुरू कर दिया और लिखते लिखते लगभग एक अच्छा खासा ऐसे उसने कंप्लीट किया. और उस ऐसे में एक मेन लाइन लिखा था जिसमें लिखा था कि सर बात करना तो स्टूडेंट्स का स्वभाव है, स्टूडेंट तो टाकेटिव नेचर के होते ही हैं, फिर भी मैं अपने टाकेटिव नेचर को कंट्रोल करने का प्रयास करूंगी. अब मैं कम से कम बोलने का प्रयास करूंगी क्लास में. But that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there is not much you can do about inherited traits. Inherited means received from the parents. विरासत में मिलना, जिसे माता पिता के द्वारा बच्चों को मिलता है, वंशानुगत, that is called inherited. So Frank is saying that I promised to my kissing teacher, that is math teacher, that she would control her talkative nature, but she could not control or complete her promise. She could not keep her words on talkative nature. She broke her promise in class, and that was because of her mother's nature, because her mother was also talkative and talked much as Anne Frank did. Anne Frank कह रहे हैं कि हालांकि मैंने वादा तो कर दिया सर से कि अब कंट्रोल करूंगी, लेकिन मैं अपनी आवाज को अपने हैबिट को सुधार नहीं सकी. बात करती ही रही, बात उन्हीं नेचर की बनी रही. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी भी इसी नेचर की थी, और जब मेरी मम्मी इसी नेचर की थी तो वह चीज़ मुझे विरासत में मिली थी, और विरासत में मिली चीज़ पे कंट्रोल करना किसी के बस की बात नहीं है. इसलिए मैं भी अपने हैबिट को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकी, और अपना टॉकेटिव नेचर मेरा हमेशा जारी रहा. Mr. Kissing had a good laugh at my arguments But when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible chatterbox means chatterbox, you know very well. Incorrigible means which can't be cured, controlled, जिसका उपचार ना हो, that is called incorrigible. तो जब when Mr. Math teacher read about the promise of the Anne Frank, then she laughed at her. That is laughed at the Anne Frank. And yet Anne Frank kept continue her talkative nature in class. So being bored from her talkative nature, Mr. Kissing, that is the math teacher, again allotted some extra work to Anne Frank. I hunted it in, और सेकेंड टाइम जो था वो क्या टॉपिक था? पहला तो चैटर बॉक्स था, सेकेंड टॉपिक था इनकॉरिजिबल चैटर बॉक्स, मीन्स ऐसा बातूनी बॉक्स, चैटर बॉक्स जिसका कोई उपचार नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, आई हैंडेड इट इन एंड मिस्टर किसिंग हैड nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. However, during the third lesson, he had finally had enough. Anne Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay entitled "Quack Quack Quack," said Mistress Chatterbox. When second homework, that is incorrigible chatterbox, was also completed by Anne Frank, yet she was in talkative nature. She used to talk continuously in class. Then again Mr. Math teacher, that is Mr. Kissing, allotted again her a topic, and that topic was Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Yeah, that was the new topic that Mrs. Chatterbox कहते हैं कि Quack Quack Quack, that is बोलो बोलो बोलो, said Mr. Chatterbox. This was the third topic allotted by the Mr. Kissing math teacher to the Anne Frank, being bored from her talkative nature. उसके बातूनी व्यवहार से उठ करके मिस्टर किसिंग, दैट इज जो मैथ टीचर थे, उन्होंने तीसरा टॉपिक दिया क्वैक 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 क्वैक, सैड मिस्टर चैटरबॉक्स, मिस्ट्रेस चैटरबॉक्स. द क्लास रोड, मिस क्लास laughed soundly, loudly. I had to laugh too, and Anne Frank also started to laugh with the other classmates. Though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterbox. Now on the topic chatterbox, though Anne Frank had written already 2 topics 2 times, so she had lost near about all topics by mentioning in earlier 2 homeworks assignments. So when third time she was allotted by her teacher, quack quack quack, said Mistress Chatterbox, then she was nervous because she was knowing that now at that time she had no more topic, not more topic to write on the quack quack quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. To my up with something else, something original. My friend said it was time to come up with something else, something original. Anne Frank is saying that when her teacher had allowed her, then that was the time when she was to find out some new topic on that chatter box. My friend Sanne, who was good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from beginning to end in verse, and I jumped for joy. Mr. Kissing was trying to play a joke on me with this ridiculous subject, but I would make sure the joke was on him. Now when Anne Frank was in doubt that what should she do and what should not he do, how would she find out new topics, new subject matter, them on chatterbox, then her friend named Sanne helped him by saying that he would help him in writing chatterbox in verse form. यानी वह कही कि अब तक तो तुमने ऐसे में निबंध में लिखा था, लेकिन अब मैं तुम्हें हेल्प करूंगा, तुम कविता के रूप में ही उस चैटर बॉक्स पे टॉपिक लिखना. अब एने फ्रैंक बहुत खुश हो गए कि चलो ये जो सर है मेरा मजाक उड़ाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन अगर मैं लिख लूंगी तो सर का ही मजाक उड़ा दूंगी। आई फिनिश्ड माई पोयम, कह रही हैं अने फ्रैंक मैंने अपनी पोयम कंप्लीट कर लिया। मीन्स लिखा चैटर बॉक्स पे थर्ड टाइम। एंड इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल, इट वाज अबाउट अ मदर डक एंड अ फादर स्वान विथ 3 बेबी डकलिंग्स हु वर बीटेन टू डेथ बाय द फादर बिकॉज दे क्वैक्ड टू मच। अब जो which the third topic which was allotted by Mr. Math teacher kissing, that topic was written in verse with the help of the friend by the Anne Frank, and when she wrote in verse she mentioned parents duck and ducklings and their 2 kids, mother, father and 3 kids, and those 3 kids were beaten by the father duck because of their extra talkative nature. Luckily Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. He read the poem to the class, adding his own comments and to several other classes as well. Since then I have been allowed to talk and have not been assigned any extra homework. On the contrary, Mr. Kissing is always making jokes these days. Anne Frank कह रही हैं कि with the help of my friend I completed my poem, and that poem was liked by my friends, and my teacher, math teacher Mr. Kissing also liked that poem, and from that day I was allowed permanently to talk in class. If I tried to talk or if I talked with anyone in class during class, yet no teacher punished me. Even Mr. Kissing, that is the math teacher, also did not punish her for that. एंड उसका जो मजाक बनाते थे मिस्टर किसिंग बच्ची का, अन्य फ्रैंक का, वो भी उन्होंने करना छोड़ दिया. फाइनली इट इज साइंड योर्स अने, means this is the diary, and thus this lesson completes, and this was mentioned by the Anne Frank in her diary. Now if any doubt related to word meaning, any query, question, then ask, otherwise I am going to say bye.